Hello kids, welcome to your kids TV. It is a beautiful day outside, and guess what? We're gonna go find Alexandra and Mommy and see what they're up to.
Let's have
It's a beautiful day, sunny day today. And wait a minute, look, I see them. They're over there. Let's see what's going on with them. What are they up to?
Hi kids! Hi kids! Guess what? Today is Easter and Alexandra is going on egg hunt. We have a basket. Yeah, we have bunnies on the basket. High
High
five.
five, high five, high five.
And we have eggs that we need to go find. Are you ready? Yeah, you see the first egg? Go pick it and put it in the basket. Yeah, what color is the egg? What color is this egg? Who knows? Red, good, put it in. Next egg. Which one is the next one? What color is that? What color? Green, awesome. Go find some more eggs. You see the egg? Awesome. What color is this one? What color? Who knows? Kids, help me. What color? Blue, awesome.
Blue, good job.
Let's go find more eggs. Okay, what color is this one? What color? Let's ask our friends. What color? Pink, awesome. Let's go. You see any more eggs? Go. Awesome job. Go get it. What color is this one? Let's ask our friends. What color is that one? Orange. Awesome. Next one. Where is the next one?
She found another one right there.
Good. Can you get it? You need a little help? Here you go. What color is that one? Show our friends. No, what color is that one? Green. Awesome. More eggs. Do you see any more eggs? Where? How about that one? You see it? Awesome. What color is this one? She's like shaking like
She's like, I got it.
What color is that one? Red. Awesome. Good job. What color is this one? Go. Go pick it up. What color? Who knows? Yellow. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna hold you for you. Too many eggs. Okay. What color? Blue. Awesome. We found a blue egg. Next. You found another egg. Go. See what is that? How many eggs did you find? Two eggs, and they're like little peachy color. You wanna put them in a basket? Go put them in a basket. It will help.
She found another one.
She found another egg. Go get it, girl. You got it? Awesome. Let's see, what did you find?
Count them.
Which one is that? What color is that? Pink one. This one is pink and orange. 2. And which one is that? Pink and orange 2. 3. Yeah, you ready? Let's go find some more. You see any more? Come. Let's go see. You see them? Where? You see them? Wow. You found one more. Go. Tell me, what color is that? Blue. Yay.
Blue.
Good job. Put them in the basket. Let's go. Keep looking. We need more eggs. You wanna go step up? Step up and see if we have some hidden flowers. You see it? You found it! Another little egg. This one is cute. You see any more? Eggs? You wanna go down? Look, you wanna step up here? Look at this egg. You see it? Keep looking.
No, leave it. Another flower.
How about this one? Yay! Awesome. Okay, let's go. We have a couple more, I think. Be careful. We have a couple more. Yay! There. What color is that one? What color is this one? green. And I think we have one more, baby. You see one more? Right in front of you. Yay! And the color of this one is... What color?
Yellow.
No, that's purple. Oh my
It's
goodness,
more
look
like-
how many eggs we have. Wow. Do you want to
Two.
go? Two? I think it's a little bit more than two. Do you
Go.
think? Go, okay.
There's more.
Do we have more? Do we see more?
She wants more though.
Do we see more? Do you want to go sit down and open them? Go, let's go.
Let's go open them.
Sit down and open them. Go, go, go. You see more? Okay, go sit down. Go sit down. Okay.
Wow.
Hold on, hold on.
Open.
Open? Okay, the first egg, we have a green egg. You want to open it? Go, open it. Pull it. Oh my goodness. What is that? Whoa. Do you know who it is?
Pig.
Let's
Pig.
pull it.
Pig.
Break it for you.
Pig.
Please,
She's like,
please,
yeah.
I know. Who is that? It's a giraffe. A little yellow giraffe. You can squish him and let him go now. Whoop. You see? He's a giraffe again. You can squish him again. And let him go. He is so squishy.
Yeah.
Giraffe. Awesome.
Can you say giraffe?
Say giraffe. Giraffe. Good job. We have another egg, which is purple. Open it. Oh my goodness. Ah. What is that? We have another toy. You want to open it?
Open.
Open. I know. Let's open it. Let's open. Who is that? Who is that, Alexandra? That's a little bunny. Bunny? What color is the bunny? He's blue. Ah, squish him. You can squish him like a giraffe too. Ah, and squish him and let him go. Whoop. Squish him and let it go. Awesome. Let's leave our animals here. We have more eggs to play with. Look, let's open the small one. Small one. Small one. I think we need to squish it really hard. Let's go. Ah, I broke it. I broke it. Go, open it. Open it. Let's peel it. Let's peel it. Let's peel it. Who's inside? Who's inside? Who's inside? Who's inside? Who's inside? Open it. Open it. Open it. Take him out. It's a little Shopkin. Can you show it to our friends? Mm-hmm. You want to put him back in the shell? Okay. You. It's gonna be his little house. Shopkin. It's like a little chick. Let me see. Who is that? It's a little Shopkin. I
see.
think it's a fox.
Let me see it.
Fox. Show it to Papa.
Oh.
It's a fox.
Nice, a little
Yeah.
fox.
Put it
Cute.
with our friends. How about this one? Green egg. Open them. Open. Open. Who is that? I think it's a little bunny.
It's a bunny.
Bunny. I think he can jump. Let's wind him up. Are you ready? Oh! He's jumping. He is jumping. He's a white bunny with pink ears. You wind him, and put him on the floor to jump. Just unwinding him. Awesome. Let's put him next to our animals. Look at him. Look at him. He is hopping like a bunny. Awesome. You wanna open another one?
She wants to
It's like,
continue.
I want my bunny. I want my bunny. Which one do you want? This one, big one, or small one? Small one? We need to crush it.
Hard.
Hard. Crush it. Ah, yay. Who's there? I think it's a little pink birdie. Is it a birdie? I think it's a, maybe not. Looks like a seal.
Show it to me.
A little Shopkin. Show it to Papa. Ooh, he's cute and pink.
Cute.
I think it's a seal.
What does the seal say, Alexandra? Oh, pretty. Very pretty. But show it to me right here. Let me see. right there so I can see her. It says seal. Oi, 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 oi.
Let's go. We have more eggs. We have more eggs.
Someone's getting excited.
We have more eggs. Come on. We need to open more friends. Here you go. Let's open this red one. Go open it. Open on this side. Oh my goodness, who is that? Who is that? It's a little pink, yellow bunny. It's a little yellow bunny. Let's wipe it. And he's hopping too, like his friend. White one is hopping and the yellow one is hopping. The two friends, white and yellow. You have two of them now.
I throw them.
How about this red one? Let's go. Who's in there?
Open
Open? Let's open.
quick.
And squish. Yeah, we're gonna open and squish this little elephant. What color is the elephant? He's purple. Take all of them and crush, 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 crush. Squash, 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 squash. Yes, squash, squash, squash. Are you ready to let it go? Let's count.
Go.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
That's so cool. How about this blue one? Open. It's a little blue bunny. And he can hop like his friends. That's okay.
She got distracted by her.
Show me your blue bunny. Show me your blue bunny. Show me your blue bunny.
Alexandra. We got it, we got it. We got it over here, Alexandra. Look.
You want to wind him up like his friends? Let mommy help you wind him up like that. Look, look, look. Are you ready? Guess what? We have another small one. Ooh, look what I have. Ooh, we can crush this one. Let's crush it, crush it, crush it. Crush it, crush it, crush it.
Hard, hard, hard.
Ah, yeah, we got it. We broke it. Let's see who's inside. Who's inside?
What is that?
What is that? What is that? What is that? Show us, show us. It's a blue dragon. Oh, dinosaur. Is it a dinosaur? No, I think it's a dragon. He has little wings. Little wings.
That's a happy dance.
Happy dance, happy dance. Hey, we have more eggs. Come, we have more eggs to go. We have this pink one that needs to be opened. Whoa. Who's in there? It's another pink bunny. That's all about bunnies this season. Wind him up and put him on the floor. He doesn't jump. I think he's broken.
Wow.
Aww, he is broken. It's okay. He will just stand here and watch his friends jumping.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
who's that? Giraffe. You want another one? Ah, squish them. Squish them. Ah, squish them.
Squish
Squish.
them. Squish, squish. Let me have it. Let me have it. Look at their faces. Woof.
Wow.
One.
Go.
Go. We're
Wow.
gonna squish them again together. Okay.
All of-
One. Papa.
All of them together?
Squish them
Okay.
together.
On the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go! Squish, 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 squish.
Squish them, squish them, squish them, squish them. And now we'll let it go. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Look about. What about this orange?
Orange.
Orange. Let's open it. Who's that? Who is
Open.
that? Open. Who is that? Let's open it. Woo! Who is that? Do you know who is that? Doggy. Yes. You wanna squish all of them with doggy? With our chickens here. Stay here, chicken. Oh no, they're not chicken. They're bunnies. doggy. Oh, I have a bunny. Hi, people. I have an elephant, and you have a doggy and a giraffe. You ready to squish? Squish, 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 and let it go. Awesome. Let's put them here. And we have one more little one. Do it. Let's go. Oh, this one is a hard one. Oh, yes, I got it. Break it. Break this egg. Let's see who's inside. Let's free the animal. Break it, break it, break it. Papa. Who is that? Who is that cute little bird there? See it? Yay! I got it. Who is that little birdie? Is it an owl? You wanna put her back in? That's a blue owl. Ooh. Alexandra, what does an owl say? What does an owl say? Owl say, ooh, 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 ooh. Let's open this one. This blue egg. This is a hard one. Who is inside? Monkey! Yes! Let's let the monkey free. Oh, monkey's really stuck in there. Monkey. And monkey is free. This is a brown monkey. Oh my goodness, we have so many animals. Look at this monkey. And doggy. We have all animals. Yay.
Little birds.
Birds. I think they're bunnies.
They're little bunnies.
Bunnies. And we have one more. Let's open this last one. And open it. And we have a blue chick. It's a little chick. Yay, you did it. He's jumping. Hopping like those bunnies. Yay. They go. Jump. 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 Okay, let's put all our friends here. Right, that was fun. Was it fun? All done. Yeah, you want to put them
All
in the
done?
basket? All done. All done. Let's put them in the basket. Clean up. Alright, friends. I hope you enjoyed going on an egg hunt with us today. We sure enjoyed it. We got so many toys. And see you next time. And bye-bye. Say bye-bye to our friends. Chicken? You want chicken? Go get the chicken. Go get the chicken.
Grown-ups, if your kids enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to your kids' TV channel. Make sure to click on the bell button to get notified when we post new videos. If you enjoy our content and would like to support us, please visit us at our Patreon website, patreon.yourkidstv.com. Parents, if you enjoy reading to your kids or your kids like reading books, you may purchase them at the link below at books.yourkidstv.com.